clucked to her friends in a friendly way. Who will help me plant this grain? But the dog, the cat, and the duck said no way. Then I'll do it all alone, said she. Hard work brings bread for me. She worked and worked without a peep, while the others sat in the sun, asleep. She watered the wheat, she watched it grow. She asked again, who'll help me sow? The lazy friends just shook their heads and stayed in bed or played instead. Then I'll do it all alone, said she. Hard work brings bread for me. She worked and worked without a peep, while the others lay in a dreamy sleep. She baked the bread, it smelled so fine, golden crust and warm inside. Who will help me eat this bread? Me, bark, dog, and duck, and cat all said. No, I'll eat it all alone, said she. You didn't help, so none for thee. The little red hen gave a happy cheer and ate her bread with joy and cheer. If you want a bite, she said with a grin, you've got to help before the end begins.